Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are bunkered down here in Florida because of Hurricane Ian right now. All the cars are safe. We have them all either in a garage or storage right now. So all we gotta do now is wait out the storm and see what happens. Hopefully everything works out good. Right now it is heading south of us, so we are out of the category 4 right now. So we're still in category 1, so high winds and stuff like that, flooding potentially. So all we gotta do is wait now and see what happens. Guys, finally today we get to finally dive in to the all-wheel drive Spyder again. Gotta finish up a couple things. The wrap job did not go as planned with the guy that did it, so we redid the front bumper, the fender so far. We gotta take off the back quarter panel, the trunk yet, rewrap that. But so far, I mean, the car is coming out awesome and fantastic. So today we're gonna be putting in some new parts, a new billet shifter we got from Fat Boy Racing, and just going over the whole car as I just got it back from PA here in Florida. So let's dive into it and see what we can get into. Alright guys, as you can see, we got this new shifter from Fat Boy Racing. All billet, everything right here, which is awesome. So we're gonna take this off, take all this stuff out here. Shifter, it's actually pretty well built. We actually have one of these in my little brother's all-wheel drive Spyder right now, and it works awesome. So, comes with that, and brand new heavy-duty shifter cables, as you can see. On top of that, they are actually adjustable, just like the boosted performance ones. So let's take these out. Adjust the front, back, up here, back just a little bit, and you can see that these are adjustable too. So, let's get this stuff ready and put it on the car. As you guys can see, out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, the shifter is in. Nice with the adjust the cables just a little bit. It's a nice piece. You're gonna put the console back in, center console, and then she's ready to go. As you can see, the shifter fits perfectly in the center console. No modifying anything, and it shifts perfect. Look at that. Like this, there's no play at all. Alright guys, it's the next day. Hurricane Ian, we got lucky. Nothing got damaged, flooded, or anything. Just a little bit of damage out here. But today is actually a gorgeous day. You can see all the cleanup we have right here of all the neighbors and stuff like that. But yeah, we lucked out. we were actually working on the Spyder the night of the hurricane. So, I mean, power went out for a little bit, but we got power back on and 4 hours later. So, we got lucky, and I'm glad we got lucky. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, push the like or subscribe button, and next time we will show you the new stuff that we put on my little brother's all-wheel drive Spyder. Until then, see you guys next time.